Welcome back to my channel. My name still remains Lookman, and I want to show you the second part of our video on how to calculate take profit and stop loss. And in the first part, I've shown you how to calculate take profit and stop loss for a buy trade. Now I want to show you how to calculate the take profit and stop loss for a sell trade. So I want to show you that one. If you are something you are interested in, then let's go into it. Okay, welcome back. Now I have a trade I want to execute, and it is assumed that you must have done your analysis. And in this analysis and in this trade, in this one, I want to show you, I want to take a sell trade. I've shown you how to calculate take profit and stop loss for a buy trade. I want to show you how to calculate take profit and stop loss for a sell trade. So we are on Euro USD 1 hour. All I need to do is, there is this box with a plus sign. Just click on it. Since I've done my analysis and I want to sell, I'll just click here. You can see sell. I'll just click on the sell. So let me just click on the sell, and it has already been done for me. And we want to calculate the take profit. If you have watched the first video, you don't need to go back, but if you have not done it, go and watch the first part. This is the second part, how to calculate. You know, I told you we are working with the current market price. This is the current market price, and we currently have 1.20755. And I told you, you don't need the last figure number there, which is the pipette. So this is what we want, 1.275, which is the current market price, CMP, current market price. So what you do in the first one, where we place a buy trade, this one you are going to add, and as usual, we are working with our ratio 1.30. So this is what we do. We just, instead of in the first one we added, in this other one, this sell trade, we are going to be minusing the target, our target, because it's a sell trade. You know, our target is 30 pips. So we'll say 30, and we'll do minus. So you calculate. You have 5, you have 4, you have 0, you have 2, then you have 1. So our calculation, our take profit will now be 1.245. That's our take profit. So you go here where our trade is running. You can see Euro USD sell. So you click on it, you long press on it, and you say modify order. Choose the modify order, then you input the take profit. The green side is the take profit. This is the take profit. This is the take profit. Take profit. While the red one is the stop loss. You can see. So what we want to do is to input. We already have our answer. So you start typing 1.245. Then you say modify. Once you click on modify, it has already been placed. Just check it. You see, this is the take profit. The take profit here. You can see the take profit. This is it, 1.245, and that is our calculation. Now let us quickly go to do. Want to calculate for the stop loss, and the current market price is, this is the current market price, the current market price is 1.20. This is it, 1.275. So yeah, you know, the first one we are doing the take profit, we minus from the current market price. Now you have to add 10 to the, you know, we are working with ratio 1:3. So we work with, you just say the first one was minus, now say plus 10. So your answer will be 5. This is 8. This is 20. 1.2085. 2085. You know, our target is we want to calculate anything, take profit normally in sell, in sell, take profit should be down, the top loss should be up, but in buy, take profit should be up, should be down. So enough of that. Let us just, you can see already we are already in profit, but we need to step our stop loss in case it goes again. So you can see, because it's a volatile market, especially euro USD is a volatile pair that they can change anytime. So because we don't want to incur more losses, we do much losses, we have to set the normal required loss that we can take. So long press on the key, we say modify, click on modify. Once you click on modify, you can see we've already set the take profit. We now go to the stop loss, just click on it, and our calculation for stop loss is 1 point, you can see 1.2085. You can modify is already come, just click on the modify, it's already set for you. Then you can leave your trade, you can go and do any other thing. Since you've set anything, if you want to lose, you cannot lose more than 10 pips, and 10 pips you are using lot size of 0.0. You can see euro USD sell 0.01, that's a micro lot. If you lose 10 pips, you cannot, because you've set the stop loss, you cannot lose more than 10 pips, and 10 pips with 0.01 is just $1. It's just $1, because 0.01 lot size per pip is just 10 cents, and if you have 10 times 10 cents, you just have $1. So if you lose, if it hit our stop loss, we are just losing just $1. And so this is good for beginner. If you are a beginner, it's better to start trading from 0.01. So we have our trade already, we have the take profit, we have the stop loss, so you can have rest of mind and forget and go and do another thing. It's not going to kill us. That means if we lose, we are ready to accommodate just 10 pip loss. If 10 pip loss, which is $1, cannot kill us, so we have just leave it and have the rest of mind and go and do some other thing. Maybe when we come back, we might have hit our target. If you have got value from this, please consider subscribing. Your subscription will help this channel to grow, because I'm giving this for free. It's only subscription that can assist this channel to grow. And if you have already subscribed, just hit the like button, share, then give me comment, let me see what you feel. Just give me comment or ask me questions in the comment box, and I will gladly answer that. Until I come your way again, I remain yours sincerely, Lookman. And don't forget, we can succeed together. Thank you.